Look at this line for Guardians of the Galaxy. It's all cast members getting their sneak peek at the ride. Hello everybody, this is Kevin from Florida Supreme, and today is April 25th, 2022, and today we're gonna go on test track. Let's do this.
Begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting field OnStar. SIM card performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SIM car for optimal eco efficiency. Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact. Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test. Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compare to SimCar and Please watch your step as you exit. Remember to keep all your personal...
Just got off of Test Track, and I have to say, something isn't quite right with Test Track right now. It's braking, it's jerking. It's been breaking down lately. Last time I was here, I got stuck on it for almost 20 minutes. But yeah, something's off about Test Track.
Well, now cut that out. You're supposed to be man's best friend. Now cut that out, Weenie. You're supposed to be man's best friend. Well,